What? You want another award-winning glove? Something current? Like actually this year? Selected by a recognised OH&S body too. What would we have? Something definitely for New Product of the Year Award 2021. Yep, thought so. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Pete from Ironclad, and here it is, our latest and greatest KCI2PU, New Product of the Year OH&S 2021. Did I hear you say why? Glad you asked. First up, even though this was developed in the oil and gas industry, the KCI is just not like your standard oil and gas glove. This glove is light and thin and has amazing dexterity. See, it was actually designed for those smaller, more intricate jobs that require high precision, but still be suitable for use in those high-risk sites and applications that also need cut and impact protection. So, jobs like calibration of equipment or working in electrical boxes and electrical engineering or machinery fitting and fiddly mechanical work and equipment repairs. This polyurethane palm delivers really superior grip in dry, wet and oily conditions. Plus, it has our guaranteed touchscreen functionality because this little puppy uses our proprietary command-infused touchscreen technology. It really is a cool little glove. It's not pretty, but it's cool. Okay, let me cover off the main features and benefits for you. Let's start with the base material. And this is a really thin 18 gauge HPPE steel knit that gives great balance between dexterity and cut resistance. And just on that cut resistance, the test levels for ANSI 105 are a cut A2, and for EN 388, the coupe test is an X and the TDM is a D, or the whole result is 4X42DP. Not bad for a thin little knit dip. Oh, and I nearly forgot, that knit has an ANSI puncture level of 3. Definitely not bad. Next, we have this full cover TPR on the back of the hand for bruising and pinch protection. I mean, look how it really covers the whole back of hand. Knuckles, metacarpals, a large expanded thumb TPR, and fingers right down to the very tips. It's also super low profile to help with that dexterity and movement. It really is quite light and easy to move your hands. Yet it still has an ANSI ISEA 138 level 1 impact rating. And it's high vis in the TPR. So that means it doesn't wear out with washing like fabrics can. And finally, we have that great polyurethane palm I already mentioned. Plus the thumb saddle here with a reinforced and color-coded nitrile patch. And that helps both extend durability in this known wear area, but also easily identify the level of cut resistance. See, we developed this cool little color scale that I'll put up here for you, which shows a range of colors coded to the resistance cut level, so you can easily match a glove to a required task. From low-end resistance starting at blue through green like this glove, yellow, orange, and finally red, which shows the highest levels of cut resistance. And there might be one of those coming very soon too. Shh. Oh, and of course, the real kicker is that we have infused our carbon-based nanoparticles into the very polyurethane, which makes this fully touchscreen compatible. You really need to see how that works and feels. It's quite amazing. Okay, let's wrap it up. Here's all our contact details. I'll put them up on the screen right now so you can pause it here to stop me talking or come back to it whenever you like. We have locations all around the world. Please reach out to a branch near you. We would love to discuss your requirements, or leave a comment right here down below, or send me a DM or a PM or a message, whatever. We'll respond to it. Or just jump on the web at ironclad.com or brightonbest.com. We would love to get you more information and work out the right glove solution for you. And the last word? Get good, scrub! Okay, you work it out. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.